Ano, 2 to 4 girls.
Gonzales po ba?
Apo.
Ako dyan, saka yan.
Happy ikaw? Smile ikaw. Oh, let's go na. Let's go. Where's daddy?
Character, anime yan, CR.
Other side. Other side. Go up down, Ceci.
195, sorry.
Track natin is 298.
290 ang full track, so 195 ang ating track. So hindi naman mainit kills ha, kaya walang magtatantrum sa inyo ha.
Sige, dito ba? 2 to go.
Okay na.
Baba.
Alright.
Sila ang
Yan. Kasama yan sa aking pagkakita ko doon.
Plate number 401, Cesca Gonzalez. Gate number 10.
Okay. 9.
Okay. Opo. Bingga po. Bingga. Opo.
Alright. Alright. This is...
Ses, go ah! Fast! Go! Go, 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 go!
The first start is Jax Chang. Big number 4. See. Alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Leading away, Natasha. Ano yan, partner? Go, go, go. This is 4-0, leading away. And then she's...
Ching! Faster! Ses, don't run! Run!
Cone tsaka balls.
Okay, walang walang kids dito sa tent ha. Yung mga andi dito lang yung nagre-race. 03, 304, 402, 404, 400, and 405. Are you ready? Racer, ready! Little cute baby girl will be in the poster. And it
Ses! Seska! Seska, bilis! Ses, keep running! Seska! Hey! Seska! Keep running! Faster!
Isa po natin mga kalabasin. Oo, sige.
Alright.
Doon po muna. Yan. Diyan po muna. Graduation po to. Meron ba tayo graduation song dyan? Okay na, Tita Herwell. Tita Herwell, okay na to.
Our cute is little girl here. Play number 401. Sensa. Go!
Ito, Ching, here, dito.
To every tiny warrior who stood at the gate,
Awarding tayo after
Pose ka, posing, Ching, posing! Ses ka, posing! Posing ka na, Ching! Strong!
Alright, let's go. Alright, hit the tip.
Enjoy ka na lang po.
The first little cutie baby girl.
I says you're not being fast po ha. Run fast.
Original finish line. And Bravo at blessing po. Wala po ito, patak na wala yan. Nakikita niyo kalangan.
Go Chingo, dahan-dahan.